So I decided in my college third and second year that I will pivot this complete placement cycle and I will go into the startup segment. And earlier, what happened, like there was one dominancy of club, that is Google Developer Student Club. Earlier, it was there in the colleges. So I rejected in that interview due to some issues, and then I actually thought of this club, that why we can't run our own club. Then I started my own club, and after this third year, I defeated the complete Google Developer Student Club in my college and got the best club award. And meanwhile, after 6 or 7 months, we realized that we are working on it, we are getting the good amount of projects, but the main problem lies in the talent area.
Okay. Hello everyone. So I met one of the wonderful founders in the city, Jodhpur, and his name is Harsh. So Harsh, if you can quickly tell about yourself, what you did before, and what you're solving right now for India.
Yeah, definitely, sir. Thank you so much for this wonderful opportunity to interact with that kind of audience, the wonderful audience you are having. My name is Engineer Harshvardhan, and I am right now working in the field of artificial intelligence, machine
Okay.
learning, and deep vision.
Mm.
Basically, what we are building and what my past story is, like I am an engineering grad, just like others who are here in the country. And I am right now building in AI solutions. I completed my BTech in artificial intelligence
Okay.
from Bikaner Technical University,
Mhm.
and I got the first rank in complete Rajasthan and got the gold medal from Governor of Rajasthan.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's good achievement. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you so much,
Yeah.
sir. After that, like I recognized like there was not that much placement opportunities there in AI because AI is a new field. It's like a
Yeah.
buzzword.
Yeah.
So, and we were in the earliest batches,
Mhm.
which has graduated in these coming years of 2024. So then we have thought like we have some ideas and we are like hackathon geeks. Like we awake like 24/7 hours and we are working on problem solving skills and all.
Okay.
So I was missing that particular thing in the jobs and placement opportunity. So I decided in my college third and second year that I will pivot this complete placement cycle and I will go into the startup segment.
Okay.
And from my college third year onwards, I started working on the solution of AI, and there I started one club, that is Student Innovation Network.
Okay.
And earlier, what happened, like there was one dominancy of club, that is Google Developer Student Club. Earlier, it was there in the colleges. So I rejected in that interview due to some issues, and then I actually thought of this club, that why we can't run our own club,
Okay.
why we are dependent on foreign companies and all
Mm.
this stuff.
Mhm.
And then I started my own club, and after this third year, I defeated the complete Google Developer Student Club in my college and
Oh.
got the best club award. And like that, my journey actually started, just like Meta as community from college. And then
Yeah.
after this fourth year, I registered my company in 2024, 9th of January.
Mhm.
And there we have just formulating, just like every other founders who has no vision, like in the starting, what we will do, when we will create one manpower,
Okay.
from where we'll get funds. So at that time, I actually thought of not on the funds, I thought on the vision. Like if we want to plan a long game, then funds will eventually come
Yeah.
based upon that vision. So how we can go? So I recognize like I have my interest in creation of AI agents and generative AI stuff. So
Yeah.
I started this as a service-based company at the
Okay.
beginning.
Okay.
And meanwhile, after 6 or 7 months, we realized that we are working on it, we are getting the good amount of projects, but the main problem lies in the talent area.
Okay.
Like we are not getting one competent manpower to work on that particular project.
Okay.
So there, the vision of School of AI actually came into the play, and we have launched this School of AI Pan India.
Okay.
And what this thing actually does, it provides the training to the students in the formulation of the online courses. We have our own LMS, learning
Okay.
management system, to train the students.
Mm.
We would provide offline trainings. Like in Jodhpur, we are having our 4 innovation centers.
Okay.
Like one is with the BJS school, St. Austin, we have collaboration with them. NIMEC Institute at Jalori Gate,
Okay.
and our head office is located at the First Pulya.
Okay.
So there we are, like in this vision we have gathered one competent manpower, and now we are working on the product
Okay.
regularly. So like every other founder, I was also visionless at the beginning,
Yeah.
but after 6 to 7 months, we eventually got the vision to, and then how we can sustain in this particular journey.
Okay. Great.
Yeah.
So I think journey is quite interesting. So when you started in 2024, you registered a private limited business, or that was like proprietorship?
Yeah, so that was a really nice question, and this question lies into the mindset of every youth who is watching this particular podcast. And like when we are on the edge of registration of company, like we also encounter many frauds around us.
Yeah.
Yeah, because we don't know, because as coming from the middle class background, none of my like ancestors worked on the business
Okay.
kind of thing. So I was actually clueless at that particular time. So I found my friend. He was actually registered the company in Kid Studio.
Okay.
He's also with the iStart,
Mhm.
iStart Rajasthan. So he's working on the game development part.
Mhm.
So I advised them like how I can do. So he told me like first you can go for MSME registration,
Mhm.
and when you have your concept of proof, then you can go for private limited,
Okay.
because private limited will also help in the long term vision. So what I
Yeah.
have done in my college third year, I registered for the MSME. But
Okay.
after my fourth year,
Mm.
when this club got matured into the company, I registered for the private limited firm.
Okay.
Yeah. So like at the beginning, I was also clueless, just like others.
So you
Yeah.
converted or you registered new company with the same name?
Yeah. So I not converted. It was with the same name and
Mm.
with the MCA now, not
Okay.
with the MSME.
Okay, I got it.
Yeah,
I know. I got it. Fair enough.
definitely.
So you still doing services as of now?
Yeah, we doing it, but we are not marketing it right now, because we like work on a vision.
Mhm.
Like recently also, if you talk about global politics and all, like if you talk about USA and other issues which are happening right now in the
Yeah.
globe, so India is very much is like lacking in the part of a product development.
Yeah.
Every product which we use, either we talk about YouTube, either we talk about Instagram,
Yeah.
like all are foreign based, none of are Indian based.
Yeah. 100%.
So what we found out, like India has like Zoho. Zoho
Mhm.
it's called as Google of India.
Yeah. Yeah.
But India is unaware about that.
Yeah.
WhatsApp. We need
Mm.
these kind of products which are developed in India.
Mm.
And to be honest, sir, like if we talk about the engineer which are working in that company, they are also Indian.
Yeah.
So what we are focused, like we decided to convert from the that service based background to the product based, so
Okay.
that we can also work in this particular, because India is a huge market.
Yeah.
We
Yeah.
have a huge amount of population working
Okay.
here. We can go with that. So that vision I actually like got in my mind, and I just decided to go for the product based rather than service based.
That's cool. That's cool. So if you talk about your LMS, because I think LMS would play a big role in your product, right?
Definitely.
In this whatever product you said, right?
Yeah.
So what is that product name?
Yeah. The product name is Orbit.
Orbit. Okay. So if you can just talk about little, what you did as part of the LMS, because there are lot many LMS in the market.
Yeah.
What is different in yours, and what you are thinking to launch? Is there any kind of launch date in future, or you already launched that product?
Yeah, definitely. It's a really nice question, sir. Like this question is regarding my product, that is LMS.
Yeah.
So as we talk about the Indian situation right now, so if we talk about new policies of AICT, which
Mhm.
governs the complete university chain in India.
Mhm.
So if we talk about that, so AICT is working on the development of the digital courses. Earlier
Yeah.
there was one SWAYAM portal. There the IITs and all and product companies like Google are posting their courses for Indian students. But what is happening right now, if we talk about like there is one new term going on as a buzzword in the universities, that is Center of Online and Distance Education.
Okay.
So this is the very buzzword, because if we talk about the current situation, many people are from the rural background. They
Mhm.
can't go to the big universities like IIM. They can't go to the IITs and all. And
Yeah.
every person has the vision to study from that kind of mentors.
Yeah.
So
Mhm.
at that particular time period, so what is happening? India is working on the LMS development or the learning management system,
Mhm.
so that we can convert that complete brick and mortar model into the digital universities.
Mhm.
So at and solving this particular problem, if we talk about tier three cities specifically, so LMS currently available in the market are very high charge.
Mhm.
And at the beginning for the tier three university or a college, it's very like expensive for them to purchase that kind
Yeah.
of a system. So what we are creating is like just like as we talk about Odo. Odo is one company like which
Odoo. Yeah.
the frameworks at a very affordable rate.
Yeah.
So at that particular model, if we convert that LMS or learning journey into an exciting gamified learning journey, just like
Okay.
games, like if we play Valorant, PUBG and all, students will learn, students will get the credits, they will get batches, points. We have one product that is Excellence Board, which
Okay.
works on this vision with the LMS together.
Mhm.
So what will happen? Like if you have completed one course or a certification, you will get some points.
Yeah. Okay.
So
Mhm.
what will happen eventually? Students will eager to learn, and based on their points, they will
Mhm.
get placement.
Okay, they'll get the placement. So you also connected with some companies,
Yeah,
so onboarding companies on the platform. They'll see
yeah,
whatever people are just getting points, and they'll choose from there directly.
definitely.
Okay, okay,
So like this is our model with the Orbit and Excellence both together. So
Okay.
what we are working on, sir, we are working on the development of a complete educational digitalized ecosystem
Okay.
where these all things will be connected together and will provide the digital education in the gamified and upgrade way.
Okay.
Just like an immersive cinematic experience of learning.
Okay. And what is the stage right now of this product?
Yeah, the stage right now is the complete MVP stage. Like we have converted, like we are onboarding the universities and
Mm.
colleges with us.
Mm.
So right now we have a collaboration with two colleges. Like if we talk about in Jodhpur, we have
Mm.
Lucky and JIT.
Okay.
Like we have the good collaboration with them, and we are like starting this from the Holi onwards.
Okay.
Yeah.
From this wholly onwards.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. What is your team size right now?
Yeah, so right now my team size is 13 plus. Like we
Okay.
work in two cities. Like one is in Jodhpur, and we have one office at Bangalore.
Bangalore also.
Yeah.
So people are sitting there, or that's just a registered office?
It's a registered office in Jodhpur. The main head
Oh,
office
okay.
is in Jodhpur,
Mm.
and in the Bangalore there are like interns and all. They are working there.
Okay. Interns are coming there.
Yeah, interns.
Okay. All right. All right. Okay. So if I talk about, let's say somebody is watching this podcast,
Definitely.
and that particular guy wants to connect with you for, I mean, to just avail your services, like you're like this LMS or these all the stuff. How the process would work for them?
It's a really great question because without call to action and without this, like this conversation will has nothing to do.
Yeah.
So the students or anybody who wants to connect with me, they can do two things. Like one, they can search me on the LinkedIn. I'm available on the LinkedIn. Engineer Harshvardhan Purohit. I'm available on LinkedIn,
Hmm.
and on the Instagram also I'm available. CEO.Harsh,
Okay.
and my company handle is sin.edutech. They can connect with me, and I will love to guide them. And if they want to explore this thing, they can go for www.excellenceboard.com.
Okay. And then they can check it out, and how they can order that. I mean, like how they can just take that.
Yeah, so this is the very good thing for the students. This ecosystem is the free of cost. Excellenceboard.com. They
Oh,
can
that's
go
right.
and they can register for free.
Okay, they can register free. Okay. How you are going to structure, because you are going to launch this product, right?
Yeah.
What is your strategy right now for specifically marketing? Obviously, then sales would come there. So if you can just explain that stuff.
Definitely. Like marketing plays a pivotal role here,
Mm.
but marketing with the students' mentality. Like I am right now working on the reverse engineering side of this marketing.
Mm.
So what I am doing, like I am meeting with the students daily
Mm.
in different colleges, and I am targeting the tier 3 and tier 2
Okay.
to be very precisely if I
Okay.
talk about.
Okay.
So what I am doing, like the pain points which they are having,
Mhm.
I am addressing them, and we are like hosting SI and exploration events in different kind of colleges and schools for absolutely free of cost.
Okay. Mhm.
And they all are certified programs.
Okay.
And this idea came from the NASA exploration program, which occurs in
Mm.
USA.
Okay.
So I got this idea from there. And recently, if we talk about the statistics, so total we have completed the exploration program in 20 plus schools in Jodhpur
Okay.
and 7 plus institutes in complete Jodhpur region.
Okay.
Two institutes are from outside of Jodhpur also. One is in Mewar University
Mm.
and one is in Modi University, Lucknow.
That's right. That's cool. I think it's pretty good number. I mean, you guys know what to do.
Yeah.
That's, I mean, you guys are brilliant. Okay, cool, Harsh. I think you just given us very wonderful details, and I think you developing one of the incredible startup. I hope
Thank you.
that'll just go global.
Sure.
That's what our wishes. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Bye.
It was